what? It's Honda Mods right here. I wanted to share with you guys, not my car, my friend's car from Team Mexico. She got bags and it's insane. So you guys are about to see that video. But first, if you're in my viewing community, consider subscribing and like and support the channel. I really appreciate that. And I want to share this with you guys in person. I don't want you guys to buy it right off the bat, so I figured I'd buy one for myself so I could show you the quality of it and how it fits. I usually wear a medium. This is in size medium. This is how it looks. I really like it. It's comfortable, it's cozy, it's cotton, and that's the front. If you come closer in, that's how the front is, and that's the back. So grab yourself one. The link is in the description below, and now we're going to jump to that airbag system.
You got starlights? No.
Not yet. But it's looks pretty dope. It's red. I got a red jacket, so it's reflecting.
Go to the hood.
That is. Nice. So you can take the camera or do it? No. What is that? We're about to see it get aired out. It's on bags. That's to the ground.
Again.
Again and again. That is dope.